Red wine with a developed red color, no hints of blue or purple, rather on the ruby side. Attractive nose, offering ripe fruit, sweet red berries, strawberry, plum, a hint of vanilla, perhaps oak, but very discreetly so. Palate is has medium weight. It's rather soft texture, juicy, with well integrated tannins. It has a well maintained freshness. Medium long finish with sweet red fruit and some peppery notes lingering on the finish. Good drinkability to enjoy, rather young. It's already has a good evolution to enjoy today, but still a potential for a few more years in the cellar.